crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful inside. Today, we are making Egg Medu Vada, a twist you have probably never tried before. And trust me, this quick, high-protein snack is addictive. We start with 6 boiled eggs, grated to get this keema-like texture. This is what gives the vada its soft and rich bite. Now for the flavor, in goes chopped onions, garlic, green chilies, ginger, curry leaves and fresh coriander. And for a little balance, some grated carrots for that extra fiber and subtle sweetness. Now for the masalas, add red chili powder, garam masala and salt to taste. For the binding, add 2 tablespoons of cornflour. But if your mixture feels too wet, just add cornflour 1 teaspoon at a time until it holds together perfectly. Once it comes together, it's shaping time. Take a portion, roll it into a ball, flatten it into a thick disc, and now the signature touch. Make a hole in the center using your thumb. We used 70 grams portions and got 6 perfect vadas. Now for that crispy outer layer, coat each vadas in breadcrumb, dip in egg wash and coat again. This double coating gives the extra crunch. Heat the oil in a kadhai and fry on low to medium heat. Let them cook evenly until golden brown and crispy. Take them out and drain the excess oil. Look at that, crispy outside, soft inside. Serve hot with coconut chutney or your favorite sauce, topped with a sprinkle of gunpowder masala. If you enjoyed this unique twist on Medu Vada, drop a like and tell us in the comments. Would you try this with eggs? Thank you for watching and until next time, happy cooking!